Welcome back to Random Reviews, everyone. I Need Serotonin here, coming up with some items that you might be interested in. For today, in this video, we're gonna have a strainer. I'm pretty sure you've heard what a strainer is. This one, I just watched it, and it's got evidence of water in it. Well, let's talk about the features. Well, it's got a perfect 360 circle right there. It's half spherical. It's a very perfect shape, you know. It's definitely not a bowl. It has holes in it. Water comes through it. It doesn't save water. It doesn't hold water. Water comes through it. So it's a strainer. It's got some pretty designs right there. It's got some anime girl, some cap girl ears. You know, it's very nice. You know, it's got some of those. It's got a plastic hole. Plastic handles. It's got a plastic handle to ensure that you have the perfect grip. Because you know, my hand is very comfortable while holding this right now. It's kind of, it doesn't hurt when you hold it. Though I kind of don't recommend. I kind of don't like this metal grip here, because you know, let's say if you're holding, you're putting something very hot. Of course, especially noodles or something like, let's say, Japanese or Korean food. You're cooking some of those, and you scoop it right like that, and of course, the heat's going to transfer to the metal, and of course, the heat is going to like transfer. I forgot what it's called. It's going to transfer here, and you're going to end up holding very hot metal, and that is not pleasurable, and that is not good. And you're going to end up burning your hand, and that's like minus points for the strainer. There's no brand name written on it, to be honest. So let's talk about the quality. It's got nice quality steel, some foil right there. I'm not sure. It's got some. It's definitely metal. I'm not sure if it's iron, but I have a feeling that it's tin, but it's definitely metal because it's cold in the touch. And the plastic, I already told you, it's pretty good quality. It's just that the metal part here is probably gonna burn you, but it's pretty nice, to be honest. It works many different ways. You can use it to scoop. You can use it to put food in it to drain the water. Or you can also use it as a hat if you're brave enough to do that in public. You know, it actually looks good on me though. It looks like a very new fashion trend. It really looks nice. It's kind of like way better than those fedoras that incels tend to wear. Shit. There, we're fine. It's fixed. High quality. Yeah, that one I just discovered yet. I did not know that this was detachable. Now, I take back what I said about minus points. I gotta take it back because yeah, that's very useful. Just in case you're not in the mood to touch plastic, you can always touch metal and you just remove this. That's very nice. But it works well as a hat as well. You know, Versace and Gucci ain't got shit on these stuff, man. This is really nice fashion. I'd do this in school if I was in the mood, man. Yeah, but most of the time, you're going to be using this for food. It's not really for a fashion sense, although I kind of wish it would hit. But, so let's talk about how we're going to use it. First off, you hold the strainer like this. You put water in it or whatever food you put there. You don't hold it like that because, you know, if you put food in there, it's just going to slide off and then the water passes by and it's totally useless. You don't hold it like this as well because that is just wrong and that is just stupid. And if you can't hold it like this as well. It's just the same effect here in the sides. And also, I don't recommend holding it here because you're just going to end up burning yourself. And this thing can't hold anything at all. It's supposed to be held, and it's not supposed to hold. Without further ado, I'm going to show you if it works. First up, got some items here. You got some pitcher. Fix the camera. You got a pitcher with water, very minimal water, and some tissue paper just in case just in case it gets wet all over the place. Yeah, strainer. We're gonna check because it does have holes. So what we might not be sure if the water is actually going to pass through it. That's how we test the quality of the strainer. Of course, since the amount of water in here is probably not going to work on 45 degrees, we're going to use it. Let's say it's more of a 90 degrees. There, see that? It works. It works exactly like a strainer should be. It works. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. You know. This is very nice. It's a strainer. It works very nice. It works exactly like a strainer. I give it a strainer out of 10. Yeah. This thing, I absolutely recommend using a strainer. So this thing improves my serotonin levels. Yeah, it makes me happier than I usually am. It actually prevents me from getting more depressed. Water is spilling off the table. So that's it for random reviews. I need serotonin here signing off. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get some notifications. And also I need money.